In the vast tapestry of human interaction, each word we utter serves as a thread that can either strengthen the fabric or unravel it. It's crucial to choose our words wisely, as Epictetus, the Stoic philosopher, advises. He counsels us to first understand the meaning behind our words before speaking them. In the theater of life, wise individuals often take on the role of an audience, recognizing the profound impact of silence. They understand that words, when used judiciously, can unlock greatness, but when spoken recklessly, can close doors of opportunity. The practice of Stoicism teaches us to speak not out of turn, but out of truth. It reminds us that silence can often convey more profound messages than words themselves. In a world where everyone seems to be talking, but nobody is truly listening, the ancient Stoics present a powerful alternative. They advocate for using words sparingly and purposefully, and for embracing silence not as emptiness but as a canvas for deeper understanding and meaningful connections. Lesson 1 emphasizes the power of silence in a noisy world. By observing more and speaking less, we allow our words to gain weight and substance, making them more impactful when they are spoken. The Stoic practice of silence is not a sign of weakness but of strength, signifying a mind that is confident and at peace. Lesson 2 delves into the wisdom of speaking with purpose. It's not just about the quantity of words we use, but the quality and intention behind them. By aligning our speech with our beliefs and values, we communicate more effectively and contribute to a more thoughtful and reflective society. Lesson 3 explores the art of thoughtful speech and silence. It's about finding the balance between speaking when necessary and embracing silence when appropriate. By pausing to reflect before speaking, we can ensure that our words are meaningful and impactful. Lesson 4 highlights the importance of speaking with integrity. It's not just about telling the truth, but about being authentic and ethical in our communication. By aligning our words with our true beliefs, we build trust and respect in our relationships. Lesson 5 discusses the Stoic practice of concise speech. It's about communicating clearly and effectively, without unnecessary verbosity. By choosing our words carefully, we can convey our message more efficiently and avoid misunderstandings. Lesson 6 delves into the art of reflective speech. It's about taking the time to consider the impact and necessity of our words before speaking them. By practicing thoughtful articulation, we can ensure that our communication is more meaningful and impactful. Lesson 7 explores the Stoic approach to non-reactive communication. It's about maintaining composure and responding thoughtfully, even in emotionally charged situations. By mastering non-reactive communication, we can avoid unnecessary conflicts and build stronger, more respectful relationships. Lesson 8 discusses the Stoic guideline of constructive communication. It's about using speech as a tool for positive influence and communal harmony. By speaking with a purpose beyond ourselves, we can contribute to a more understanding and compassionate society. Lesson 9 highlights the Stoic approach to speaking with empathy. It's about understanding and acknowledging the feelings and perspectives of others in our communication. By practicing empathetic speech, we can foster stronger, more meaningful connections with those around us. Finally, Lesson 10 discusses the Stoic mastery of assertive yet respectful speech. It's about expressing ourselves clearly and confidently while maintaining respect for others. By striking this balance, we can communicate effectively and navigate difficult conversations with grace and composure. In conclusion, the Stoic philosophy offers timeless wisdom on the art of communication. By embracing these lessons, we can become more thoughtful, empathetic, and impactful communicators, enriching both our own lives and the lives of those around us.